Hey guys, I hope everybody is having a wonderful Wednesday night. If you hear thunder in the background, sorry. We haven't had any kind of rain in quite some time, so I came outside to enjoy it. But I've had people tell me recently that affiliate marketing does not work. It works. The problem is you don't work. If you're not working on your business by working in your business to create a successful business, you will not have a successful business. I mean, that's the truth. Like, it requires time, it requires effort, it requires you to sit there and do what needs to be done without going, oh, it'll take care of itself. It doesn't take care of itself. You have to take care of it. I bought into the $7 15-day challenge. I got so far in it, and then schedules, you have to schedule a call, and every day after that you call again and you get your next lesson unlocked. Well, when you start to inquire, they don't like that. They don't want to really tell you what's in the blueprints, which is fine. I get that. But give me a little something, tell me how it could benefit me. Well, if they weren't willing to tell me that, then that threw up a red flag for me. Like, why am I going to spend $2,500 if you're not even going to tell me how you or your company can help me? So I didn't buy the blueprints. I found a mentor and I put in the work. I did what needed to be done. Was it easy? Heck no, it's not easy. Nothing in life is easy. It never is, it never will be. And if it is easy, then sometimes you have to ask yourself, why was that so easy? It should not have been. But, the reality of it is that if you're willing to work on yourself, work on your business, and do what it takes to be successful, you will be successful. Find a good mentor, find a good program, find 24-hour chats and people in Messenger that are willing to answer your question, even if it's at 2 o'clock in the morning. You don't have to wait 2 days, 3 days for approval and then 2 or 3 days for someone to potentially answer your question. If you have the right support system, which I do now, thank goodness. I am so glad that I have what I have. You can go anywhere, and the only thing holding you back is you, boo-boo. It's you. So do something about that. Change your life. Ask me how I changed mine. Have a good night.